Good afternoon everybody. Today we are presenting our term project on universal program in Turing machines. This is presented by our group Radhika, Apala, Hussein and myself. In this paper we are focusing about universal program in Turing machines, how it presents the information and how to solve the computational complexity of a function. It also presents the class of model computing machines, that is quantum generalization of the class of Turing. Specially, machines that describe the quantum theory and universal quantum computer, which is compatible with the Church-Turing principle. This survey provides the comparative research applications on Turing machines with universal program. Now the introduction. Specially, every function which would naturally be regarded as can be computed by the universal Turing machine. The computed machine in any physical system evaluated dynamically from one input states to corresponding its output states. We also review the existence of universal quantum computer, which is Q, that implies the existing program for each physical process.
Computing machines and the Church-Turing principle. According to Turing, every function is computable, can be computed by the universal Turing machine. A computing machine M is capable for perfectly simulating a physical system S under a given labeling of their inputs and output. If there exists program S for M that provide M computable and equivalent to S under that labeling. For instance, S convert M into a black box, functionally distinguishable form. From that, the Church-Turing principle was stated, which is every finite realizable physical system can be simulated by a universal model computing machine operating by a finite means.
Quantum computers. Like a Turing machine, a model quantum computer Q consists of two components, a finite processor and an infinite memory, of which only a finite portion is ever used. It also makes part of experimental physics into a branch of computer science. Quantum computers raise interesting problems for the design of programming languages. Here is an algorithm for ALGOL 68 program, which is a performance of Einstein-Podolsky-Rosen experiment. It gives the accuracy measurement of the dynamic quantum theory collaboration. A universal program. We shall write a program Mn with parameters x1, x2, y with xn and k as a program that takes a program k and its inputs are x1, x2, y and xn, executes k and delivers the result. Program k can execute every program that has n input arguments. Mn is called a universal program of order n.
Further research based on universal program in Turing machines has given rise to an elegant universal theory of prediction. We can also write a slightly higher level language, and that will be translated back to a bona fide program number 1. There is also a universal program which is called a circular interpreter for bona fide program number 1 that computes P, Q and their primes. Moreover, the capability for self-reference is the source of the versatility for Turing machines and other models of computation. Conclusion: an universal programming language can express a program to compute any computable functions. From this survey, we also figured out how universal program is interlinked with all real-time applications, where we can also design a Java program using bona fide program number 1. This brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you. Now our presentation is open for questions.